What do you? Watch your arm, dude. On your marks, get set, go. 1, 2. Sean, Bubbles. Hi, Bubbles. Where are you going? You trying to swim?
No, I'm trying to go to the bathtub.
Oh, you're trying to get to the bathtub? All right, so we're in what is currently Sean's little padded playpen room. So right now, Chase is playing the Velcro no hands challenge. Mommy is going to try and Velcro Chase to the wall.
Don't move, okay? Put your
Look behind you, Sean. Your brother's being captured.
No, like,
Sean, come, turn this way. Come on, Sean, turn. You're crawling. Show them how you crawl. So let's see what's happening to Chase here. Chase, the Velcro boy, are you ready? All right, let's see if he can get out in how many seconds?
You have 5 seconds.
5 seconds. All right, on your mark, get set,
Go.
go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, I cheated the last one. Good job. Hey, how'd you get over there?
Because I rolled.
Come here, Rolly. Come on, Rolly. Come on, Rolly boy. Uh-oh. Round 2. Round 2, we're just doing stomach, waist,
No,
down to your knees.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Go.
1, 2,
Come on.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You okay?
Mommy, now it's your turn.
You're gonna do it to mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to do it to mommy's neck.
Should I do my leg?
Yeah, I was going to sing that.
Do it to mommy's neck. All right, kids, don't try this at home. Mommy's a trained professional
Velcro outer.
stuntoneer. And she has to try to get out of it using her neck. No, her neck.
Oh, my.
Did you see your hair? I mean, your face? How about this on her face?
Don't do my hair.
Yeah, for your face. Okay, you ready?
Ow, ow, ow! This hurts.
Okay. Wait, no, one more. Why were you putting on the other arm? There's only one more Velcro left. Okay, no hands. Sean, say go, mommy, go. Go.
Ow, it scratched my neck.
No, you cheated.
It scratched my neck.
You cheated.
It scratched my neck.
Ow.
Oh. Go, Sean, go. Go, Sean, swim out of here.
Let's Velcro Sean.
Hey, Sean. All right, bro. Do you want to see if you can stand up? Here we go. And there we go, right across the waist. Now we're going across his shoulder. And then across the, and don't worry guys, this does not hurt. It's just, it's nice and smooth. Whoa, Chase, oh, dude. Hi. Hi! Sean, you're standing! Dude, you can do it! Sean! Okay, Sean, you gotta try to get out, okay? Alright, guys, Sean is trying to get out, guys. Quick, he needs your help. Go, Sean! Cut yourself free, you got a saw! Go! Come on, Sean, go! Guys, let's all take a family photo, come on. Go, Sean! Lexi thinks we're mean, but it's not hurting him, and he kind of
Chub sticking out.
likes it because he's able to stand up, right, Sean? Look, he's eating it too. You like to eat Velcro?
Is that good?
Don't worry, guys. We would never do anything to endanger our baby for any reason at all. But he's perfectly comfortable and safe. The stuff cannot fall. It's very strong. Look, it does not come off easy. And a little baby is not strong enough to pull it off. What's up?
What's up?
Let's free the baby.
All right, where's the saw at? Free Sean! Free Sean! Yay! Yay, Sean, you're safe! Yay! Sean, you're sitting up? Sean has been learning how to sit up and crawl. Right, dude?
This side. Here,
Oh. Go, Sean, try to crawl. Try to crawl, Sean.
We Velcroed our baby to the wall. Poor little baby Sean, Velcro to the wall.
Hey you! Hey you!
I think Sean wants to go. You want to go back on the wall? Uh-oh. Let's see. All right, Mike, did you just do that?
Yeah.
All right, Mike. Mike trapped Chase. Let's see if Chase can get out in 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, you did it better than Mommy.
Okay, let me try now.
All right, so who wants to do it to Mike?
I will. Do it good.
This time, Sean is doing it to Chase. Okay, Sean, are you finished? Okay, Sean's finished. Good job. All right, so now it's Chase's turn. So let's see if he can get out in how many seconds? 5 seconds again? All right, on your mark. Sean, watch. Let's Sean, watch. You ready? Dude, you're not watching. Okay, there. Whoa, what are you? Watch your arm, dude. It's twisted. Go. 1, 2. Oh,
Chase after me because I'm awesome.
all right, guys. We'll see you later.
See you later. See ya.
Bye.
Come to me again.
I got a package in the mail today. It has a cyst on it.
Daddy!
What? Why would you do that?
No, you did that.
I didn't do it.
Yes, you did.
I don't even know who you are.
I'm Chase.
Yeah, right. You don't even look anything like Chase.
I'm Nina.
Oh, what's up, Mimo? Where's Dory? What? Come on, can you get out? Try to get out. Hulk bust out of that. You stuck? You need help? So you want to stay in here?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. What happens if I tip the box?
Okay, see? Let's let it go.
Okay, stand up. You need help now? Can you get out? Let's see. Come on, Houdini Chase. Come on, Houdini Chase. Can he do it?
Ow.
You need help? You want me to open it? Or you want to try?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, go. Pretend there's an evil villain that's going to eat you for dinner if you can't get out. You have 10 seconds to get out. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here he comes. 7, 8, 9, 10. You failed. You've been eaten for dinner.
Take me out.
Are you sure? 1, 2. Okay, you gotta get out of that yourself. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he found a way. He found a way. You did it. High five.
I want to do it again. Put a pillow. Come on, save me.
That's so weird. You like to be trapped?
Yeah.
Okay, have a fun all day, guys. Bye.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Mike, run, dude! Run! Oh man! Oh! Oh, what's gonna happen? What?
Thanks for my camera, like I said.